Okay, so first of all, now our motto determine that value. So first of all, return limit x tends to 1. Okay, if you see very carefully, okay, this one is written as 6. Better to write 3 to power x minus 3 to power 3 into 3 to power minus x plus 6. Clear or not? Divide by under root. This value is also written as, that value is 3 to power minus x, and that value is written as 3 into 3 to power minus 2x. Clear or not? Okay. Now after that, if 3 to power x, 3 to power minus x is common, then we got 3 to power 2x, that will, okay, plus 6 into 3 to power x, and this is 3 to power 3. Okay, and also here I have common 3 to power minus x in upper part. Okay, now in lower part, if you see very carefully, if 3 to power minus this one is common, then we got this one is written as 3 to power minus x plus 2x minus root 3. Clear or not? Okay, so after that, so finally you can see right now here, limit if x tends to 1, 3 to power 2x plus 6 into 3 to power x minus 3 to power 3 whole divided by, this one is written as under root 3 to power x simply, and that is 3. Clear? Okay, now simply this one, if you can right now, if 3 to power x is taken t, or otherwise you can solve, factorize this one, that is like t square plus 6t minus 3 to power 3 means 3 to the 9 to 27. This one is factorized, then we got like 9t minus 3t minus 27, that is t plus 3, t plus 9 in bracket, otherwise second one t minus 3. Okay, so this part is written as t means 3k power x, 3k power x plus 9 into 3k power x minus 3 divided by, this one is written as 3 to power x minus root 3. If rationalize 3 to power x plus root 3, here 3 to power x plus root 3. Clear or not? Okay, now after that, if you see very carefully, limit x tends to 1, this one, that part, and that part equal to this one. Okay, clear or not? If you see very carefully, then 3k power x plus 9, okay, into root 3k power x plus root 3, and this one is 3 to power x minus 3 whole divided by, this one is also written as 3 to power x minus 3. So that part and that part are cancelled out. Okay, clear or not? So limit x tends to 1 and divide by 1. If put this value x is equal to 1, direct Then we got 3 to power 1 plus 9 into root 3 to power 1 plus root 3. So 3 plus 9, that is 12. 12 into, that is 2 root 3. So finally 24 root 3 is the right answer. If any doubt, then comment it. I will discuss again. Okay, make it.